Hello and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find that linky stuff. Notification bell because reasons. Let's rock. See if I got it right. Well, just what I wanted. Spread it instead of try to hold the edge. Yoink. Cool. Somewhere like that. Nail it to the board. Help the seal anyway. Okay, so I got that cut out. I got it cut off. My plan. New board, new hole, heat sinks, and this is gonna sit up about 1/2 inch, 3/4 as a heat sink. Up away from that with extra protection too. Ring the hole itself. But that'll hold it being at an angle running up. Yeah. Anyway. Yay. Yay. It'll hold the pipe out away from everything. Much tighter seal than I had last year. Less leaking. That'll do. That'll work out. Now I just solved the vertical challenge and we'll be all right. Open for business. The other thing I did was perforated it all the way around because I was trying to do it one-sided and it wasn't working. It was blowing right back in. This will give it full carriage, nothing to blow against to push it back. Sorry about that, I forgot about you. I was getting this going. Oh, that thing is sawdust, candle wax, and a cupcake paper. Melt the wax, mix it in with your sawdust. You're in business. Like the paper, wax does the rest. It got down to 35 last night. No, I wasn't out here, but it's that time of season. Now that I got this in place for the entire season, I think it's gonna work. Change the angle. It's off the lumber, yay. Cool, back in business. Awesome. All right. Now, where was I? I'm still not happy with it. So I'm going to jump on the vise. Where's the vise? There's the vise. I'm going to jump on the vise and make another one for the outside. That way I know I got full coverage all the way around. It is suspended in steel and air. That's it. Because even with this second brick, it was very, very close to the top of the hole. So, rinse, repeat. Last cut that deep. Gently fold everything in, check it with the pipe, cut it, mount it. Hey now. Had potash in it. Do. Yep. Mount it. Yeah, you gotta set it. Got it set up. Inside. And out. This sure as shit isn't OSHA sanctioned nor Underwriter Laboratory tested. When I started, like, oh, yeah, 10 o'clock this morning when I started, it was 70 in here. And this is Friday. Monday, they're saying, well, Monday, high of 40, which means the nights are going to be, yeah. That's why I'm getting this squared away best I can. I got a through and through heat sink. Yeah. All right. Exactly what I was trying to do. Suspend it. That makes a little better seal. That'll do. That will do. Take 2. Winter Prep Boogaloo. Keep it low so the smoke doesn't, choke on itself. And we'll take care of it. Oh, lovely. Good. Golly. Yeah, I think we're going to be fine.